Hello everybody, my name is China. Welcome back to my channel, and I'm coming back to y'all with a brand new video today. Okay, so today's video is going to be all about how I achieve this look, this curly bun, along with the baby hairs. Okay, so if you're interested in how I got this look, then be sure to stay tuned. I'm starting off with freshly washed hair. To wash it, I actually just co-washed it, and I used just the Aussie Moist conditioner. Shrinkage is crazy, y'all. Look at this. So you already know if y'all been rocking with me, you already know that I use this S-Curl bottle that used to be my brother's, and I have water and conditioner in it. And so what I'm gonna do is I'm just spray my hair to moisten it back up. Me personally, I never really like dealing with my hair at all when it's super dry, because I just don't want it to break off. So I always make sure to moisten my hair first. Now what I'm going to do is take this white tooth comb, ignore the hair that's already in it, and I'm just going to start to detangle it. Okay y'all, so now that my hair is detangled, I'm gonna take this water and conditioner again, and this time I'm gonna just spray it along these edges. And you cannot forget the kitchen. I'm gonna take my hard board bristle brush, and I'm gonna start brushing it up into a bun. Now I'm going to take my Eco Styler gel. You already know how I do. And just going to take some, put it along your edges, hunty. And you just smooth it on out. I'm going to take my brush again. So now that everything is smooth and in place, I want these curls to pop a little bit more, so I'm going to put more of the water and conditioner in here. Now you want to take your scrunchie, well, after you feel as though everything is smooth, scrunchie and wrap it around. Going to wrap it around again and pull the hair through. And then now this last time, I'm gonna wrap it around, but I'm not gonna pull it all the way through. I'm gonna stop right here, like this. And then you just wanna pull on it a little bit, tug on it a little bit. And I like to take that leftover hair that's from the back and swoop it around to the front. Make sure it's straight. Like this. You already know I'm about to slay these edges. Excuse my lash hanging off. That's unacceptable. But so I'm just gonna take my toothbrush and I'm gonna take my Eco Styler, and you want to start by smoothing the edges up. Same thing with your kitchen. Okay, so now that everything's smoothed up, for the baby hair, you just wanna brush your hair down. Be sure to only get your baby hair though. Not no extra hair that doesn't even belong there. Brush it down, same thing here. You brush it down and then you swoop it. It's really hard to explain, so y'all just about to have to watch me. So again, you brush down. And you swoop it over. Brush down. Swoop it over. And then for my sideburns, I just brush up and then brush my sideburns down. Okay, so this is the finished look. How it looks in the back. Okay everybody, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to give me a big thumbs up. Also smack the shit out the screen right where that subscribe button is, and also hit the notification bell because you already know next week I'm gonna be right back at it like a crack addict. Okay Adios.